What's up, PE560? This is Zachary Perez, and this is my video response for the Bodyworks discussion this week. So we'll jump right in. The first question asks, have you ever attended a Bodyworks exhibit? I have not. I heard there is, a similar kind of museum that examines the body and other animals in Buena Park near Cypress College where I coach. But just from viewing the video, I think it's just crazy how you can see, the veins, the muscles, the bones, the tendons, all just function differently and in different movements. You really don't think about these things when you look at the average person, or you're examining someone, performing a certain movement in a sport, whether it's jumping or dribbling a basketball or sprinting down a soccer field. These are just things we see in everyday lives, but we don't really understand what's going on completely under the skin, or don't think about it. The next question asks, how does studying the human body and understanding unique abilities spur your thoughts on beliefs and origins of the world? After viewing this video, I really think, God put a lot of time and effort into our bodies because, just of how complex it is. A few weeks ago we learned about, how there's so many cells in the body that, all do different functions, and, if there was a certain imbalance, our bodies wouldn't be the way they are. And I think it's the same thing, with our muscle structure. There's certain things that attach to certain different muscles or certain different tendons that play a specific role, and they all work differently, and I think that's just extremely interesting. And the fact that we're able to move the way we do and thrive in the world that we live in, it's a true blessing. So and when I also think about how our body's structured, I really think God gave us the necessary tools to not only survive in a world that He created, but ultimately thrive in it. So that's one of the other big takeaways that I got from the video. The last question is, what response will you take in light to this understanding? The body's complex. We know that from this video and from the past. So I think it's extremely important, in terms of looking deeper into injuries and giving them the time and the proper treatment. From this video, we're learning that everything's so complex, and there's certain things that connect to one another. And after viewing that, you can really understand that the body is complex, and it needs that time and effort to heal and for rehabilitation. So that's my video response for this week, and looking forward to what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching.